drop point knife, Cucina Napoli. And this is we're going to test the sharpness of it, which you saw downstairs. I already had tested it on my arm, but you know, we test everything on newspaper, which is a lighter grade. I see a lot of guys on YouTube and whatnot, they test it on like a sheet of white paper, which is heavy, and you know, that's how I know it's sharp, how it goes right through. It doesn't even, no resistance whatsoever. When you get these knives, you got to be very careful. Don't cut yourself. Great for all kinds of vegetables, especially tomatoes and stuff like that. They're very difficult to cut. If it ever dulls, send it back. $6, we sharpen it back up. $6 is for the return shipping. Thank you for watching.